Hey, Pop and Fix It here, back with another one. Today I'm pretty excited. We are going to Copart to pick up the first vehicle that I've successfully won on there. If you haven't heard, Copart is a website where you can buy wrecked insurance salvage vehicles, some clean title vehicles. Supposedly cheap. Most of the auctions I've seen have not been cheap, so it took me about a month of bidding to get one. So anyway, here's the setup for today. We got my truck with the trailer all set up. Copart will just pick up your vehicle with forklift and set it down on your trailer, but I'm not sure if they will do that for a heavy vehicle, which I'm not sure if a Ram 2500 it counts as a heavy vehicle, but that's what we purchased, is a 2004 Ram, 65,000 miles. Looks like someone drove it into a pole. And we got all kinds of goodies here to hopefully get it home with us. I'm not sure, it says run and drive, but I've heard not to trust that. So we got a battery, we got a jump box, got our ratchet, socket, extensions, I got a bottle jack. I got some shrink wrap in case I got to tie any parts down. Might need to take the hood off. I got my straps. So I got an air compressor to air up the tires, because from what I've seen, it looks like they sit on the lot for about a month before they list them. So those pictures you see are probably a month old, maybe not representative of what we're actually going to get. So I'll show some pictures here of the listing and talk about that, and then we're going to go for a little drive, pick this truck up, and see what we got. All right, guys. Alright, so we made it to the Copart here, and we went and did the paperwork. So basically what you can expect when you get here is to go get in line. They got a QR code you scan, and then they'll text you when it's ready. It took us about a half hour. So anyway, yeah, I'm just going to set the camera up here and record a little bit of whatever they're hauling out here while I wait for them to bring my truck out. Bus would love it here. We'll have to put him in the back next time.
I was gonna say, he could be here, but he's gonna stay here. He could be in charge of video.
Yeah.
He could be the recon van.
Hey, there's ours.
All right, that's the same noise it made right before it got hit.
Yeah, right? She's a looker.
Are we driving it on? Is that
No, I think he's going to set it right on the truck for us.
Okay, see, and the other thing is, see where they're dented above the wheel? When they get hit in the back, they seem to crimp right above the front edge of the back tire.
Yeah.
Let's get one of these and get rid of the car lift.
Oh, it makes me cringe seeing a vehicle picked up that way. Guess we're going to see. I didn't think it needed a rear bumper, but right now.
Pushed against it.
Yeah, it's a pole, right?
I was gonna say the one mirror's broken, but it didn't look like it.
Yeah, well, I have a set of mirrors. We're gonna have a hell of a time getting this off of here. Yeah. They got to go back just to air.
You gotta get in it and keep it from rolling.
Yeah. This is good stuff.
Are you in it?
I think you gotta bring it back just like a foot. Can't sit on the fender.
We got space over here.
This fender, the wheel, this wheel on the fender. Okay. That should be good there.
Okay, now what keeps it from rolling off the truck?
What's that?
What keeps it from rolling off the
I'm
truck?
gonna strap it.
Did you set the brake or something?
let's check out this rust bucket we bought here. Doesn't look too bad. Rad support a little bent. They're in the truck. I just definitely got a broken steering linkage. Frame looks decent. So hey, yeah. Let's see, we got the keys in there. Here she is. Seats not terrible. Yeah. Here's my 65,000 mile Hemi. All right. So. Ooh, yeah. All right. So. Not too bad. Time to get her strapped down. I don't think this bumper was dented until they put it on the truck. Yeah. Son of a bitch. But yeah. All right. A little bit. No, that's why they had the fenders on there. All right. It's gonna be interesting getting this off the truck. It's a little wider than I was anticipating. But yeah. Oh yeah, let's check out these. Oh, the rockers actually aren't bad. Are those replacement? No, that's not how that goes. Are those replacement rockers? I can't even tell. If they are, they did a good job. All right, well, here I'm gonna strap her down, and then that's that, I guess. So yeah, there's my wreck. Let's see how it goes. Actually, that fender don't look too bad. I might be able to sort that one out. All right, there she is. All right, so we just got the truck back to the shop from Copart. It was an uneventful drive, maybe a hair overweight. I'm not gonna admit to that. I think it was right exactly on weight. It had the truck as, what, 5,900 pounds. I think I got about 5,500 payload. So I'm gonna assume 400 pounds worth of parts fell off here. So it was totally legal. Cummins didn't care at all, it was fine. So yeah, we got her back. 65,000 miles, truck fired right up. Only thing that wasn't really mentioned, it was listed as runs and drives, which it starts and you can put it in drive and it will go forward and reverse, which is all they say that means. But here's my broken steering linkage. It looks, oh yeah, no, it's the entire rod. I thought it might have just been the steering. There's like a little adjusting rod. Actually, maybe it was that. Yeah, no, it looks like it was just that adjusting rod. I don't know. No, yeah. So maybe if I just get a new sleeve there, I might actually have a couple of those in the shop, because I rebuilt the Cummins front end and it really didn't need it that much. A little bit of rust, Dodge stuff, you know. It's not terrible, especially for a Pennsylvania truck. Not as clean as my southern truck, but yeah. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Gonna have to sandblast the frame, get her all cleaned up. I think I saw the exhaust broke. Looks like definitely some stuff to clean up, but overall not terrible. It looked like it had the rockers redone. I thought I saw a new, maybe it was a cab corner or something. It actually looked pretty good in there. It's not bad. So yeah. Oh, does this have an extended fuel tank? That fuel tank looks huge. Check that out. So I know you can get like a 70-gallon tank for these. Maybe that's just the 35. What is that? So yeah, exhaust broken off. Plenty of work here, but I'm gonna get it cleaned up. Let's check out the inside. So yeah, here she is. Bags went off. I got a whole parts truck here, so I'm gonna be swapping out my steering wheel and the dash. Got pretty nice leather seats. A little bit of a tear and some creasing, but this was the Laramie truck. Stupid head unit there. I'll probably get another one of those. Let's see. All right. Leave anything cool in the oh, what we got here? What is this, Lifehouse or something? All right, guys, got some gun stickers on the back, so maybe find the free Saturday night special in here or something. So we got some broken parts. I didn't want to fly away because not big on littering. Figure I can throw this shit out, you know. So yeah, a couple of mats. Thinking about snatching this, looks like it's an under seat storage. Oh, that's what you can do. See, my truck's a year newer than this one, and it, even though it's an SLT, oh, that is nice. I actually kind of like that. Hey, look. I found some parts to steal from my truck. That's pretty sweet. So yeah. Oh yeah, except I got the sub in my truck there. Split rear bench, leather. It's pretty nice. So, to pull off these fender flares and see how rusty she is. The other side was not bad. Oh yeah. Checking this out. These cab corners look good, but they're rhino lined, which is usually a sign that something happened. There's a little bit, I think this might be a cab corner. I can't tell. It's really not bad on the rust. Let's see. See anything? Huh? Not terrible. Wondering if a little bit of rust there. Nothing the fender flare wouldn't cover. No, definitely a little bit of rust. Not too bad. I wasn't too worried about the rust with the 2500, especially with this low of miles. Have a little bit thicker frame. So it's a little harder to get them to rust the whole way. Excuse me. Rust the whole way through. Got a little bit of damage on the door. I think that'll be okay. Oh yeah, Laramie. Cool. Yeah, so this is my Copart truck. I guess I'm gonna get in here and start taking the crap off the front, order a couple of parts. Later this week I'm gonna be making a little bit of a drive to go pick up a new front clip for this thing. It sucks, there's like not that much damage to this, but it's enough that it won't be $10,000 truck with that. So yeah, so the goal of this is to take all the broken crap off the truck, replace it, get it an enhanced inspection, and get the rebuilt title. I think this truck books at around $16,000 if it wasn't totaled at any point in its life. Unfortunately, it has been totaled due to this cross member there. I have a whole parts truck, so I'm going to be pulling all this front end crap off of that, bolting that onto this one. So do a little breakdown on the math on this one. I spent, I want to say it was $4,500 with the fees. The bid price was like $3,550, and then they hit you for almost $1,000 in fees. So it was right at where I was trying to get. I was trying to get it for $47 or less, and I figured I'd be putting about $1,500 in parts into it, plus my time, and then that would hopefully sell it for $12,000 and then get my money back, double my money. So hopefully I'll profit right around $5 on this one. We'll see. Kind of depends on what it goes for. But yeah, this truck market's crazy right now, so hopefully we can get her all shined up and looking good. All right, so yeah, anyway, that's my video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more of this Copart stuff, any of the junk we do in the shop, make sure you give us a like, follow, subscribe, leave a comment, all that YouTube stuff. Anyway, take it easy, guys. I got a little bit of work to get into. Have a good day.